Welcome back to HobTech Cars. Today I'm doing some work on the 2004 SLK. In recent months I've noticed that the center vents here in the car are starting to get a little bit rusty. So my plan is to touch that up with some spray paint. I know this whole unit comes out, but it is a bit of work to take out the trim around the gears, the climate control, the radio, and the cup holder. So I'm just going to tape around this area and spray directly into the car. So I'm just going to prep the area with some masking tape. Now I am pretty happy with that level of paint preparation. So just masking tape off the windshield, above the driver's side steering wheel, passenger side airbag, and like the radio and climate controls. So I have quite the collection of paints that I could use, but my weapon of choice today will be my acrylic satin black. As with all paint prep here today, I'm just going to do a light clean of the area first. Okay, and let's get spraying. But I'm really happy with that finish there. I've gone at it from the left side and from the right side to make sure there's no shadows. I can see here with my fluorescent lights, there's no dark spots here. It's all being caught correctly. So I'm just going to leave this to dry for a few minutes, and then I will take away all of the tape and share my results. Okay, and this is it with all of the masking tape removed. So excellent job. I'm really happy. Nice even coat throughout. Excellent.